So boys and girls, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to go through the ultimate guide to monetizing your mini personal brand or your personal brand on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. Okay, a personal brand is the thing you need in 2024 to get more clients for your online coaching offer. But there are a few misconceptions about a personal brand, and a lot of people think these things, and that's why they don't start them, and that's why they don't make any money with them. So let's get into those misconceptions. So one of the misconceptions is a lot of people think you need thousands of followers to make money with their offer, and it's actually the opposite. Okay, it's the opposite of things. You need the right followers, not loads of them, because I speak about this all the time. There was a girl with 1.5 million followers. She tried to sell a t-shirt and didn't sell any. Okay, so you don't need a lot of followers, and going viral all the time. It's good sometimes to go viral, of course, and I say 10% of the time. So if you post 30 videos a month, try and go viral 10% of the time. But you can't help the algorithm either, really, can you? So having loads of followers sometimes just isn't the best, because they're mostly randoms and they're not your ideal clients who you want to work with, okay? So you need the right followers, not loads of them. That's one misconception, that people think you need thousands or hundreds of thousands of followers. I can say from experience, because I had 22k on TikTok and I hardly made any money from 22k followers. So, okay, you don't need a lot of followers, especially if you have an offer in line. You want to reach the ideal clients, okay? So the next misconception is a lot of people think they can just post short form content and get clients, because everyone said build a personal brand, and as soon as people say build a personal brand, they think short form content platform, short form content. But that's not the case, and this is also wrong. If you post just short form content, you will not get more clients. Short form content does not build up the trust needed for a prospect to even consider buying from you. So short form content is amazing to get attention, but to convert attention is not that good, okay? And the one thing you need from someone to actually convert them into a paying client is their trust. And you really think you can build up trust through 30 to 60 second clips? It's not possible, okay? Well, of course, I'm not saying it's impossible to get clients through short form content. There's some cases where people do get it because they built up such a huge brand. But if you want to get clients with a small following and not loads of followers, you need to lead them somewhere else to build up trust, and not just post short form content. So how do you monetize a following and or get a following and monetize it? So you simply use the content magnify funnel, and this is our funnel, the one that I've come up with and used to attract 6k clients to my offer, for my clients to make money as well. I put it on the screen, and to get my clients results like that as well. So this is the thing we implement and help implement, okay? So first, to get people into the funnel to get attention, you need to post short form content. Of course, I said, remember, it's good to get attention, but you need to make sure your messaging is dialed in. You need to understand your ideal clients' wants, their frustrations, fears and aspirations. Put yourself in their shoes and just understand them, relate to them, help them overcome them within your short form content, and most importantly, intrigue them for more from you. And if you already have an organic foundation, so if you already have organic content on your Instagram page, or if you have the money, well, you need an organic foundation. You generally do need that. You can run one simple follow ad, and this ad is basically optimizing for the follow. So when people come onto your page, they get nurtured by your organic content. And remember when I said earlier, you can't rely on the algorithm, because it just does what it wants, okay? By running an ad, you can target your ideal client, and you can target who you want to reach. So that's why running an ad is good. And of course, you're going to post short form content every day, and make sure you have quality videos, okay? So next, all that is going to do is get people onto your optimized Instagram profile, okay? So you're going to get attention onto your profile, and your profile should be optimized like this. So you should have an optimized bio, so your offer, call to action, free training, and highlights. And I suggest leading, as we will get onto, we lead people to YouTube. So make sure you have a value YouTube, and whenever you post a YouTube video on your story, post it in the highlights, and also have a YouTube link here. So this says link tw.in. Basically, it's a deep link, so whenever someone clicks on it, it takes them over to the actual platform instead of keeping them on a browser. And you can also track whoever clicks on your link with linktw.in, and that's why it's so good. So make sure your profile is optimized like this. Pause it and just like copy it, use your brand colors, etc. Okay, and this optimized profile is going to lead to YouTube, okay, and you're going to be posting YouTube videos every week or 1 to 3 times a week, because at the moment raw and authentic YouTube videos are doing very well, and that's why I suggest posting multiple times a week on YouTube, because it's easy. Just put your camera up like this, and or do talking head videos like this with your just camera up, and raw and authentic videos are killing it right now, because people are sick and tired of the over edited content. Okay, so the YouTube videos you should be creating is step-by-step processes, and what I mean by step-by-step processes is, like I'm doing right now, I'm giving away step-by-step processes for free, and always positioning your unique process to get clients results in center of attention. So I'm positioning the content magnify funnel in the center of attention, because it's important. because it's my process to get clients results, and I want to make sure people know that they need my process to get to where they want to be. So you need to make sure you do that within your YouTube content as well. And you can also post in detail client case studies, so going in detail about a client case study, going in detail about how you got them results, how you got them from point A to point B. And also, if you have an interest in life, if you go traveling and everything like that, because you're a digital nomad, post day in the life videos. And remember just to keep everything raw and authentic, because that's where I see YouTube heading. You can edit it a bit if you want, but I just really recommend just raw and authentic, and it's doing very well at the moment, especially if you want to build a loyal following. Okay, and the whole point of this YouTube is to lead everyone to a specific YouTube video, which is going to be a video sales letter. And a video sales letter is basically a video speaking about your story and convincing the prospect that they need what you sell, okay, and making them realize that they actually need it, and it's the only thing that's going to get them from point A to point B. So this is how to script your video sales letter. You're going to hook your audience in with a crazy hook, explain who it's for, back up the crazy hook with social proof, make them problem aware. This is really important, make them problem aware, so make them realize they have a problem, or rub salt in the wounds of a problem that they already realize they have. So you should know your market well for this, okay? And then speak about old system and what's outdated. You're going to then position your process as the best problem solver to that problem. Then you're going to give them a walkthrough of that said process, give a load of benefits and everything like that. Then you're going to add in more proof of concept and end with a simple call to action, asking them to book a call with the link in the description if they're interested in buying from you. And that's going to lead to a conversion, because they've been warmed up by your short form content. They've got intrigued for more for your short form content. They've gone to your long form content, built up trust, gone to your video sales letter, and are now convinced they need what you sell. So as I said before, this is going to lead to a conversion. So let me just go through it one more time, like simply. So short form content, optimized profile, YouTube, video sales letter, and conversion. And what you can also do is you can set more appointments yourself by appointment setting. So what I mean by this is, when people interact with your short form content here multiple times, you can then reach out to them and just be like, ask them questions, find out their pain points, see if you can even help them. Use the pain points as leverage to get them on a call and sell them on your service. And this funnel's so good, works for me, works for my clients, because you're posting short form content, you're getting attention, but then you're building up trust. And the people who want to go over to your YouTube will, and those are your ideal clients, by the way, because they want to watch your shit. They then get convinced that they need what you sell, book in a call, and it's only going to be a few questions, and then they're going to say send the invoice, because your content has handled all the objections beforehand. And that's what I mean by getting your messaging dialed in. You need to understand your ideal client's psychology, so you know what they're thinking and why they're not taking action, and you need to help them overcome those things. It might be I can't do it, it might be I don't have money, time, resources. That's all BS. It's just an excuse not to take action. Okay, so that's the funnel, and I hope you understand that. I have a full free 1 hour and a half training down below in the description. If you want to watch it, it's the one that says an hour and a half free training, and there's another training above that one, same thing. It's just another video like this, but going into way more detail. So if you want to check those 2 videos out, I go into way more detail to teach you how to appointment set, everything like that. Teach you how to get attention the right way, how to actually create content ideas, everything like that. Check it out down below. And yeah, I hope you got some value from this. Thanks guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Subscribe, everything like that. And yeah, this is the ultimate guide to monetizing your personal brand on YouTube. Peace.